Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the video on my channel. And today we're going to be talking about Injective. Now, overall, I do think Injective itself is very, very solid. But as you know, we're going to be talking about the technical analysis side and where are the best opportunities to be buying Injective. So let's break it down. As you can tell, pretty much Injective, right? Its history had a rally, dump, sideways, movement, pump, retracement, pump, whatever. But now, pretty much we had a big pump in October, pretty much going from $7.60 to pretty much at the end of the year being around $42. Then pretty much going sideways, ranging between $30 and $42, then having a massive breakout all the way to $52. But now, ever since then, we've been going down. Partially due to Injective having to do its cycle, partially because of Bitcoin. And I mean, overall, there's nothing too alarming, right? This area right here, the $30, pretty much got broken just a couple weeks ago. Then, as you can tell, we pretty much had a retracement. We retested it, went down. We're going sideways. Then we had this kind of just random rejection, right? This big random rejection. We didn't touch the yellow area, but we did touch, relevant price action. And now we're moving lower and lower. So overall, where is a good time to buy Injective and where do I think it's going to go? For me, overall, if you're looking long term and you don't care if you buy it for $1 or $2 less or more, you can buy right now overall. Okay. Because I still think just from this area alone, and we look at the market cap, easy 20x in my opinion. Okay. $40 billion market cap. Yeah, it's solid, but each cycle there's more and more money. And I mean, like, market cap, 40 billion, not the craziest amount considering what the type of market caps we're going to be seeing upcoming, the ones that are going to be upcoming. So pretty much you can buy right now. However, if you're looking for a cheaper price, a nice area where I would recommend is pretty much this big support and resistance, pretty much ranging between $14 and $19. So this is where you would have a lot of good buying opportunities to dollar cost average. And I don't think Injective should go lower than this. There's a lot of price action here. Bitcoin has been kind of stable. The only thing I could see like pretty much happening is Bitcoin crashing thousands and thousands of dollars and Injective pretty much going below this yellow box. But overall, it's held its price decently. It's not performing the best like some other coins. We got to remember this coin had its pump already and then had another attempt at a pump. Other coins haven't. So, everyone just takes turns in the cycle. I don't think we're going to have a super, super deep retracement where we go to $9.60. If that were the case, like the way it happened kind of over here, right, where we pretty much have a rally up, then some type of retracement pretty much at the relevant high, right, the last previous high. I can only see that if there's some kind of quick last second Bitcoin dip, drops 7K, recovers, every coin just drops dramatically. But even then, even if Bitcoin dropped a lot, going from $22 to $9.70, that's still a long way. So I don't think Injective is going to drop that far, but good buying areas, you could buy a little bit now. You can dollar cost average for about $19, $17, even maybe 15.5. And I think overall, these price areas are going to be the most optimal because when we look at the bigger picture and the future, I mean, this is pretty much a $10 billion market cap, which is $113, and $25 billion market cap is $282. So, like I said, does it really matter if you buy $1 this way or that way? The way I look at it is no, because I adopt that mentality. So, because when it's time to sell, it's going to be the same thing. Do you really care if you sell it $1 more or less when it's time to sell? But $50 billion market cap is the maximum price range that I think is realistic. Remember, this is on the more realistic conservative side. So my expectation is pretty much $565. Something like I would expect is for it to be bouncing in this yellow box area, which would be around the low 30s to 40s in market cap, right? And yeah, this is what I think would happen, right? Pretty much pay attention to this type of price action where it starts slowing down, going down, or we spike up, slam down, pretty much have a retest of this, right? This area is going to retest this red line, and then we go further down. Those are the two things I'd be looking out for Injective. But for me, $565 is pretty much my optimal target.